So, nandito naman kami ngayon sa destination namin is Igorot Stone Kingdom. So, nandito na kami. Bibili muna ng ticket bago makapasok sa loob. So, ang entrance fee niya is 120 pesos for adult, 80 pesos naman sa kids, then sa toddler is free naman. So, yan. Makakalibre kayo pag meron kayong bit-bit na mga. So, ito. Nakabili na nga pala si Tia Lea ng ticket. Nalibre nga pala ko ni Tia Lea sa ticket. Thank you so much sa ulitin, Tia Lea. So, after nyan, papasok na kami nyan sa Igorot Stone Kingdom. So, bago kayo makapasok, kailangan nyo muna magpa-stamp. So, we're here na at Igorot Stone Kingdom. So, ang Igorot Stone Kingdom nga pala ay isa sa pinakabagong atraksyon dito sa Baguio. It's a man-made park made out of stone that showcases Igorot culture. Ay inspirasyon base sa alamat na nawawalang Igorot Stone Kingdom. Pasok nyo, merong gold-painted Igorot statue guarding the entrance. Sa loob nito ay makikita nyo ang hagdang-hagdang Stone Kingdom kung saan ay malayang makakapag-explore ang mga guests na katulad ko. Ang Igorot Stone Kingdom ay tinatampok ng ilang attraction that highlights Igorot culture. You can also rent a traditional Igorot outfit to add to the experience. Ang attraction na to ay gawa or binuo ni Pia Velasco, which is based on Igorot stone laying in his childhood in the Mountain Province. So it is rooted the legend of Sabangan, an ancient Igorot kingdom. These massive stone walls are built using riprap, which are stones interlocked to form cement walls. Knowing how these stone walls were built made me appreciate the place more because it's just for aesthetic. They were built with so much effort and creativity. There are modern day castles you can visit, which are built with cement and hollow blocks. At the top of this modern day castle are a few food stalls and store where you can eat and buy souvenirs. There is also a small viewing deck. Some areas are still under construction where you can see the whole Igorot Stone Kingdom. So that's it mga katinderang ina. Thank you for watching. Please do like and share my mini vlog. Thank you.